Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we've started the day out with some rain and some windy conditions as we see that onshore flow really picking up this morning. It's going to bring us a pretty cool day here with temperatures really just steadying out in the lower to mid 60s, not really seeing temperatures warming up a whole lot as we go through the day today. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary over the area earlier this morning. It has since dropped a little farther south, and we're seeing that strong easterly to northeasterly wind continuing across our area this morning with a wind advisory currently posted for the Wallops Lake facility. We'll likely see that wind advisory continue for the next several hours as we see those east to northeasterly winds, likely seeing those max wind gusts up around 25 to 30 knots throughout the day today. Looking at our radar satellite composite, you can see some of the heavier rain showers off to our north, which will be sliding down as we go through the next few hours. Currently just seeing some light rain and drizzle throughout the area. We'll likely see those showers pick up a little bit in intensity as we go through the late morning and possibly lingering into the early afternoon hours as that frontal boundary continues to push farther to the south today. Looking at our near infrared satellite imagery here, we can see lots of cloudiness in the area this morning, and we're going to continue to see a plethora of clouds as we go through the day today, and not really clear out until later on this evening into the overnight hours. We'll start to see a decrease in our cloudiness. Currently out there, a low ceiling at about 600 feet with visibility is actually down to about 2 miles. Those winds out of the northeast at 26 knots, gusting to 32 knots, with the temperature again pretty cool this morning at 62 degrees and a relative humidity at 94%. Looking at our next 24 hours, we're going to see the chance of some lingering light rain and drizzle in the area this morning and into the early to mid-afternoon hours, possibly seeing those light rain showers continuing through the area. Again, temperatures will struggle to really warm up today, only looking at a high of about 67 degrees, and that may be a little generous on our daytime high temperatures. Temperatures will likely sit mostly in the mid 60s throughout the day today. As we go into the evening hours, those winds will still be pretty breezy out of the east-northeast, gusting near 25 knots all the way through around 8 o'clock this evening, with those winds starting to die down as we go into the late afternoon and evening hours tonight. And into the overnight hours, we'll see those winds out of the east-northeast still breezy at times at around 9 to 14 knots, with the temperature dropping to around 61 degrees under partly cloudy skies as we begin the morning of Tuesday with those temperatures in the mid-60s. Looking at Tuesday and Wednesday's forecast, we're looking at a much nicer day on Tuesday with more sunshine out there. Still a little breezy though, with high temperatures warming up to around 76 degrees. The winds will be out of the east-northeast once again for Tuesday, but not nearly as strong as what we'll see today. And with that sunshine and the reduced winds off the ocean, we'll see a bit warmer temperature, again with that high temperature reaching about 76 degrees. For Tuesday night into Wednesday, we'll see that frontal boundary that has dropped south of our area begin to lift back north as a warm front, and we'll see much warmer temperatures on Wednesday. We'll see a chance of some patchy fog during the overnight hours of Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, and then seeing mostly cloudy skies throughout the day on Wednesday with a chance of a shower or a possible thunderstorm during the afternoon and evening. Look for a daytime high on Wednesday of 86 degrees. That'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice morning.